my god, I think I just came. This thing is freaking sick. What? Bro, you look sexy as fuck. Oh! Chicks are... What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another beautiful day on the channel. If you don't know me, I am Baked, and I'm just your normal everyday motor vlogger. We got something a little different today. It's only Monday, but we're already going to an event this week. It's the little Bikes and Boba thing they have in Buford. So I wasn't really doing anything else tonight, so I figured why not. But, bro, we've made big progress. I was just at the lot, and I freaking looped it finally. I was doing a first gear knee knocker trying to scrape, and I did scrape, but then I looped it. So, woo! Making some progress. My freaking something ain't right up here. It is crooked. So I guess I'll fix that when I get home. But I am going to this thing straight after the lot. So I don't know. I think my bars might be bent or something. Frig, I hope not, but we'll see. Might have to upgrade to 1/8 bars, or 1 1/8 bars, sorry. But yeah, we'll see who pops out to the meet. I got 2 people coming myself, I think. But yeah, I broke the little GoPro mount, but I don't even use that actually. I'm thinking it's just my headlight that's tweaked, like because I can see it curving this way. So. Damn, somebody freaking squirted some paint on the ground right there. Oh, what the heck? I got a biker behind me. No, don't pull out. Thank you. Okay, you're gonna pull out though. Ding dong. Okay, I need to get over to the left. I don't even know what that bike is behind me. But he's probably going to the meet. Bro, I hope I don't have a hole in my butt. I didn't even check. Boba tea, boba tea, boba tea. Oh, there we go. Oh, we got that. Yay. Oh! See if I know anybody here. Bruh, I don't know anybody here, I'm not gonna lie. I don't have to back in, bro. Screw that. Julian, let me ride the R9. Holy crap. Oh my god, bro. You're a freaking G. Anything I need to know about?
Right now it's in track mode. But anything else, try not to drop it. If you drop it, just let me know. It's cool.
Bro, I want to be so careful on this.
If you can, try to get into third gear so you can like feel the difference between the second and third. Like you feel that difference.
Okay. I've honestly, how's the quick shifter? I've never used one.
Quick shifter, of course you still need the clutch to go into first gear. But after that, don't need
Like, does it have auto blip?
it. It goes up and down, yeah.
What the fuck? Alright.
So,
Bro, this is crazy.
but yeah, start and stop, you do need clutch. So.
Yeah, I got that much, obviously. I guess I'm gonna just like take it that way and loop and come back. Bruh, holy shit.
Don't loop this one out, Noah.
Bruh, I'm not even freaking barely giving this thing gas. It's taller than I thought. Feels like my R6 I used to have. Holy crap, bruh. That's insane. Bruh, no shot he's letting me ride the freaking R9. Gotta be careful on this thing, bro. This is the most expensive bike I've ever ridden. Holy crap, the seating position is aggressive. First bike with a quick shifter I've ever ridden. Got blinkers. Yes, we do. Alright, going for that. Oh my god, the auto blipper. What the crap? my god, that is insane. No way. Alright, chat, might have to get a sport bike. What the frick? This thing is so nice. Dude. Sounds so good. Trying to like open it up a little bit, but too much traffic. Oh my god, insane freaking bike. Yeah, chat, I'm actually not Jigsaw bro, so I'm not going to wheelie this thing. Oh wait, I forgot I don't have to rev match, bro. What the crap? Up and down with the freaking auto blip. Oh my god, I think I just can! The revs start at 5,000, that's crazy. Bro, what all these buttons do? So weird. Cruise control. Guys, don't worry, this is not my bike. Everyone looking at me in traffic. Yeah, second gear is dead, but bro, second to third is like, wow! This is insane, bro. Yeah, pretty tall. I can flat foot it just fine though. Slight knee bend. I'm 6 foot, so you could probably fit on this if you're like 5'8", 5'9", comfortably. But yeah, this thing is nice. People are gonna think I have aura, but it's not even my bike. Low key. Stop looking at me. It's not mine. Yo, watch out, home slice. Bro, GG's, this thing is freaking sick. Oh my god. Bro, I've never used a quick shifter before. That crap is so nice. Yeah, you're right. Second gear is dead, but right when you hit third, it's like gone. Yeah, with the tune, that thing's gonna be nasty. Yeah, that's gonna be insane, bro. Huh? Yes, sir. It's freaking nice. Bro, I see what you're talking about. I see what you're talking about now. Hold on, I gotta creep up on my boy here.
Let me hear him say that. I wonder how much throttle it would take to.
That was just brake, bro.
What?
That was just brakes.
No, I'm saying like if you were to start giving it gas, like how far could I like hold it back before you just like push me off?
Bro, I'm not gonna run you over today.
Are you recording? Shit.
What? Bro, you look sexy as fuck. It's him! Dang, bro, you trying to get hit? Holy crap. What the fire truck? Nice. 2 fire trucks. Got the ladder truck and the fire truck. Dang, bruh. Like 8 freaking photographers out. Oh! Okay, I guess I'll back in. Bro, this chick has a freaking 2025 S1K and the special edition AGV, bro. What the frick? That chick right there in the Dainese shirt. How the frick are we affording that, bruh? Crazy. Oh, frick. U-turn. Holy Jigsaw Willies. You already know it's Thursday. Car meet time. Ruin culture, of course. Same place as always. You heard? Got me and the boy on the Jigsaw. Jigsaw boy, not Jigsaw bra. boy, ain't no way, boy. Yeah, roll that window up. Shoddy. Ooh, a Holden. Bram, pow, 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 pow. Do I see anybody I know? No. Somebody's revving already. Where we parking, chat? Dang, bruh. Stocked up. I'm gonna park right here on the curb. 2025 S1K. Holy frick. Who's revving there, John? Jigsaw. Okay, let's try to get out with all these friggin' cars. Bro, turn off your goddamn music. Alright, y'all, we're out here on a beautiful Saturday morning. Perfectly sunny and clear. And we're heading to Cycle World of Athens because Mr. Jesse Toller, the OG stunter, is going to be there for the little open house event. So you already know I had to stop by because there's not that many, you know, stunt events near me. So I was very excited to hear about that. 50th anniversary celebration. Alright, let's see where we're finna park. What's going on, man?
How you doing?
Pretty good. How about yourself?
Smile for the camera.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Bike parking is around to the right.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome to Cycle World's 50th anniversary.
Thank you, sir.
He said, I don't need to take this tire off. Make some noise for us. Is it crazy? Is it crazy? I'm going to start off doing some circle wheelies. I'm going to bring it around, show you guys how you can do this with me. Yeah.
freaking past me! Oh my god, dude.